Hello everyone! So my name is Leah Holton. Today I'm going to show you how I do a peachy summery makeup look. And I'm so excited to just get straight into it. I'm going to be doing a bit of an unboxing. First, I'm going to pin back my hair. So the first product that I will be trying out today, I have never used this and I'm very excited to. This is the Glow Recipe Plum Hyaluronic Cream. So it's a moisture and prep kind of little cream. Love the packaging of this. Okay, so this is very jelly-like. I'm gonna take some of that on my finger. It's probably a bit too much, not gonna lie. And just rub this all over my face. It smells very refreshing. And already, my face is glowing. And I didn't even need to use that much. Sometimes in my skincare routine, I use hyaluronic acid and it really makes your skin have that glow. And this cream just does that. Okay, so when I start off my makeup routine, I always start off with brows. So today, I'm using the Rose Ink Eyebrow Gel. And I have the shade 05 here, and I also have Fill 01. So this one I've already used. It's a clear one, and I feel like it's more of a wax texture than a gel, but I love the packaging of this. Very neutral. And today I'm going to use the colored one and just brush my brows up and out. I'm trying to be really quite gentle with this because I don't want to get my brows looking too dark, but they're looking a bit crazy right now. I need to clear them up. So I will be doing so with the Magic Away Liquid Concealer by Charlotte Tilbury. Now I am literally so beyond excited to use Charlotte Tilbury products. I've heard so much rave about them, so I want to get into it. Okay, so I've just been pushing up the product and I'm putting my little brush pencil I can carve around. I want to get straight into skincare. I'm very excited to try out the skincare products. So I'm going to use another primer. This is the Stila One Step Correct Primer. I was with my mom's friend and she was trying out her new makeup on my mom, and this was the primer that she was using and she was raving about it. It has a triple swirls formula which counteracts redness for dark circles and spots, the peach color and the cellerness lavender color. So all of these three colors come together to get rid of discoloration, redness. I think that's very smart because it's a primer too. Okay, so to start on my skin, I'm using the Mecca Max Airbrusher Foundation Stippling Brush. Very excited to use this. It's very soft. I think this will be great for foundation. But I'm actually gonna try it out first with another primer. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow, and this is an Instant Soft Focus Beauty Glow primer. Putting onto the brush. I don't know how much I should use. I'm gonna kind of stipple that into my face. I'm gonna put a bit more to my forehead, my nose. And ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to always blend down your neck. I kind of like my skin like this. I might skip the foundation. So instead of doing that, I have seen people only use the primer and then go ahead with the Magic Way liquid concealers as highlight and contour. And luckily I have shades for both highlighting and contour, so I think I'm going to do that. So I'm getting some more product and I'm going to put that under my eye. I'm literally just doing places where I think should be highlighted. I'm blending that out with an hourglass brush that I already have. This is absolutely so flawless. I literally knew when I was carving my eyebrows out with this product before. It's I know this is just going to be so good for around the face, which it clearly is. I think this is actually quite a thick concealer. Again, I'm just going to stipple that all into my face, make sure it's blended out seamlessly. And now I'm going to be taking the Magic Away concealer in the shade 1210. And I'm just contouring with this, going around my forehead and a bit on my nose, under the lip, and a bit on my jawline. I'm going to blend that in with a buffing brush, also from Hourglass. Now I'm just pressing that all in with this stippling brush. This stippling brush is really, really good for making sure everything's blended really seamlessly. Okay, I'm going to show you guys up close. But my skin is flawless. I haven't set it. Today I'm going to be doing something that I'm not really familiar with, and that is liquid blush. I'm putting it on my skin before I've set it, but this is the NARS liquid blush in the shade Torrid. Very pretty. I really like the packaging for this, but I'm just going to put a bit on my finger. I'm going to put a couple of dots on each cheek and kind of blend it out by just tapping. That literally looks so good. Put a bit on my nose, a bit more on my cheeks. Come on, you have to. This is really freaking beautiful. I'm going to go for a really blushed up look, obviously, because we're going for a peachy look. So I'm putting it on the sides of my nose here, just to make it look like I'm really cute and blushy. Okay, I'm taking this Westman Atelier. This is a highlighter stick. I'm just going to put that on the high points of my cheek. I'm just tapping that in. And you guys, that is like a beautiful like wet highlighter look, summer glow. Alright, so next I'm using this Mecca Max Super Powder All Over Brush. Now, this is very nice and fluffy, but honestly, this is kind of tapered. I think I'm going to use this for contour. Today I'm trying out a new bronzer. This is the Kosas Cosmetics Deep Warm Bronze Bronzer. So it's kind of a bit shiny, so I'm taking that on this brush. I'm just fanning that on my face. I'm just bringing that up onto my forehead to kind of bronze up there, onto my jawline. Okay, so now I'm going to contour up my nose just with this little tapered brush and just kind of bring the sides up underneath my eyes and really focus on thinning out the nose with the natural like shadows of my face. I'm also going to take this brush and add some little freckles, and I feel like this really ties into the natural summer glow look that I'm going for. And they're a bit intense now, but don't you stress, don't you worry, honey. We're gonna blend them out. Add them up here where my forehead freckles are, and I'm just patting everything in with the stippling brush, making sure my face is blended in seamlessly. I have this beautiful Morphe 35T palette. I'm so beyond excited to use this palette. The colors are absolutely beautiful. Starting off with the shade OG Crew, and I'm just kind of blending that on like as a transition shade all over my crease. Now I'm taking the shade Such a Flirt. I'm gonna mix that a bit with Peaches. Mix the two together and just blend that into the crease as well. Now with this tapered brush, I'm going to take the shade Spiked. It's like a reddy brown, and I'm gonna kind of create a bit of a wing with that. It's a bit more red toned. So I'm just kind of blending out my outer lash line, and then I'm taking the shade Sweet Tea mixed with Contents Hot. These two darker shadows, I'm just really kind of pronouncing that little wing very lightly, just smoking it out. Okay, now I'm taking this flat brush. We're going to move on to the sparkly colors. I'm going to start with Shea Gossip. It's kind of like a bluey, pinky, peach color. And I'm just putting that. I did not realize that would be so freaking pigmented. Okay, but that's literally so beautiful. I'm packing that onto my lid all over. That goes on so easily. I'm also not using absolutely any like sprays. That's just like the dry pigment. Wow. I'm now taking the shade Sugar Me, and I'm putting that like on the center of my lid to really brighten that up. That's insane. I'm also taking Sugar Me on a tiny little brush. I'm packing that on my inner corner to really make my eyes pop. Okay, I'm gonna blend that all out. Alright, I'm gonna do under my eyes here. So I'm taking the shade Spiked. I'm putting that underneath. I'm kind of like connecting the little wing and bringing that under like so. Okay, so I just quickly curled my lashes off camera, and I am taking the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I have used this before, but I love this mascara. I think it lives up to the name, and I'm just really coating my lashes. Look at the difference that can make. I think I might do under eye mascara. If you know me, you know that I don't usually wear mascara for my bottom lashes, but I feel like this look kind of requires it. Okay, so I'm not dipping the brush again, but with the leftovers, so like it kind of gives the makeup like a doll kind of look. Okay, so now that I've done my eyes, I'm taking this MAC lip liner in the shade Strip Down, and I'm just overlining my lips. And see how much that does? Like, it's just a lip liner. It brings the whole look together. Okay, and now I'm taking this Mecca Max Gloss Boss Lip Gloss. Now, this is very pink, but I think this will go with the brownish kind of lip liner and the pinky kind of eye look. I thought that was gonna be like a really bright pink, but that kind of really tied everything in together, and it's not too bright. It just has like a pinky kind of tinge, and I honestly think that goes with the eye look perfectly. But yeah, this is pretty much the finished look done. I really like how this turned out, especially my skin. I think my skin is looking so flawless. I love the pinky peach eye look with the subtle wing. I love the lips, how they tie in with the eyes. I'm really happy with this look, and this is definitely something that I would wear on a beautiful summer's day, a peachy summer's day. This is absolutely gorgeous. But yes, all the products that I have used today are available at Mecca in store or online, and I am so beyond happy to be on the Mecca YouTube channel. So you guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Mecca YouTube account. I'm proud and happy with this look. I might go for a stroll along the beach and get some ice cream with a friend or something. I'm really feeling cute right now. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you again. Bye.